Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2018 Chevy Malibu. For the month of May, Apple Chevy is offering its customers the option between 16% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500 added on all 2018 Malibus. This specific Malibu is a front-wheel drive 1LT. This vehicle comes with a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine that has 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it is cloth throughout the entire vehicle. We do have our Chevy MyLink radio, our push to talk, and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.